everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a killer 1971 Chevrolet Malibu. Great car, guys. I actually bought this car from a gentleman, bought a pair of cars from him that he built, local man. Actually, he's a retired certified ASA mechanic, owned his own shop. He built both of the cars at a red 70. You guys probably, we actually just sold it here a day or so ago. Bought both of these cars from him. Great guy. He just restored this car. I think he said he got it done in 2019. There's less than 1,000 miles on this car since it was done. Really nice car. If I remember right, I believe he said he actually did this car for his wife. It's got a GM Crate 350 engine in it. It's got air. He put Wilwood front disc brakes, automatic trans. Killer car. I changed the wheels and tires, so it's going to come with both of these sets. There's a stock set of, they're not rallies, they're just the stock wheels and caps that'll go with them. I'm just not a big fan of them. Like I say, great car, factory Mulsanne blue. It's got the white vinyl top. It's got white interior. I think from the factory it came with saddlewood. But really nice car. Runs and drives excellent. Good solid body. Just a pretty car, guys. We put some miles on it. Like I say, we went to his house, bought it, drove it here. Of course, took it down to put the wheels and tires on it. And real good car. Chrome and stainless is really nice. A little fade there in your bumper. Really pretty paint, guys. Again, Mulsanne blue metallic. I wish we had some sunshine today, but it's trying to peek through. Really just a good car. Vinyl top's nice. He's documented everything. There's receipts and everything in the trunk for it. Glass is nice. And like I say, just hits the road great. It's a little dust. Sorry, guys. You guys been waiting on me to get this thing done, and it's on the road yesterday, so you know when it come in, it's crazy. You know, in fact, I had a couple calls like this today. Guys, if you're calling and you want to talk to me, I'm telling you, if you're trying to buy a car, I had two guys today get very frustrated because they're waiting to talk to me to buy a car. Don't wait to talk to me. Jordan, Dale, these are the guys that sell the cars, man. I'm on the road trying to buy cars. Call them. And they can ask you, they can answer the questions, anything they can't, they'll get a hold of me and I'll get an answer for you. But if you're calling to wait to talk to me, then you're missing out on cars. That's a nice car right there, man. Just a pretty car. Again, brand new wheels. These are 18 and 20 inch American Racing Torque Thrust. Brand new ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Will come with the factory wheels as well. Wilwood front disc brakes. This is a GM Crate engine, 350, 290 horsepower GM Crate engine, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake. You can see it's got the Chevrolet air cleaner and valve covers, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got air blows cold, 350 turbhohydramatic trans. He put aluminum radiator in there with a shroud. And like I say, really good car. HEI distributor in it. It's really, I wouldn't be afraid to get in this car, turn the key, and go anywhere. It's a good car. Color combination hit me right. I like that blue with that white. The nice thing about the summertime, this should be nice and cool. Yeah, I dig it. Just a good car. Great people. Joe and his wife, just great people. Again, he did a little write-up on the car for me on what he done, gave me all the receipts. There's actually an original door tag. I know California people have to have that. Couple little spots to be touched up. Factory bench seat. It's got a sports steering wheel. Just put the shoulder harnesses in it. I think those are Seatbelt Plus that has those. $39,273. I'm sure that's $139, but like I say, less than 1,000 miles on the car since he's had it done. Factory dash, AM radio. It's the original owner's manual's in the glove box. It's dual exhaust, 10-bolt, not just stock gear. Nothing, like I say, this is a turn the key, get on the highway, and cruise car. This is, I think that's the exact, the other four we have, except for there's a cap that goes in, a ring and cap on them. Factory jack with spare, car cover goes with it. Again, this is all the receipts on it, and he did a little write-up for me as well. You can see it's all spackle coated in the trunk. Just like I say, really good car. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. You know, keep track of that website. Subscribe to our YouTube page. It's a great way to keep track of us. We get it, you know, if you get a notification as soon as I post something. And again, don't wait to talk to me. Two guys missed out on cars yesterday because they were waiting to talk to me. And really, right now, my time is really spent out on the road, buying this stuff. Getting little touch-up marks. Just trying to get cars. When I'm here, I'm trying to advertise them, and then I'm right back on the road. And like I say, these guys now, they're selling them before I even get them here. Seats are really nice. That dash pad is nice. You can see the gauges are nice and clean. Those look like the original door handles, actually. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Jordan just kicked your air on. It blows cold. Nice car. Turn your air off. It'll flick it down. Sorry, guys. That's just a good quality car. Yeah, pretty much stock. There's really not a bunch of gauges in there. Fuel gauge, it works. Backup lights work. Car gets its R's. That's what those crate motors are known for too. Stock AM radio works. Again, your blower motor works. Air does blow cold. Doors open and close real nice. Great car. Just a good quality car. Again, guys, remember to keep track of our inventory. Check out our website, southernmotors.com, our Instagram, our Facebook. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Like I say, it's immediate. Guys get text messages or emails as soon as I post the car. Have a great day, guys.